Hello student, good morning. Today we are discussing about the drug store and business management. ड्रग स्टोर और बिजनेस मैनेजमेंट के अंदर हम जो स्टडी करना है, what are the trades we doing in the industry and in the commercial level, what are the various channels of distribution in between the trade, industry and commerce, and how we manage the business in the industry. So, what are the various forms of business which we have to done? Drug store management, how the site plan, what are the layouts and the requirements for a drug house, then codification and handling of the drug stores and other hospitals. Second point we have studied inventory controls, means what are the importance for the inventory control, what are various different modern techniques and the analysis of the management in industry, what is economical order, then stock, safety stock and various type of the stockist level. Then we go for the a marketing level or a business management, how to manage the sale promotion in market level, the research of the market, what are the persons which are required for marketing like salesman or other. Then what are the various requirement to open a drug store, that it means a minimum registered pharmacist, what is the training, compensation or evaluation of a pharmacist, then how the banking function or financial services which will be studied under the source of finance. Thirdly, we have accountancy, how we trade the medication, then establish a industry, then how we maintain the account of a industry, means where the records will be keep about the industry business, like those are be entered into a book like double control entry book, cash book, journal ledger, trial balance, what are various profit and loss, all those things we study in that. Then the maintenance of a ledger which will show the balance sheet, what type of credits you are going to do and what are the audits you are maintain yearly, either quarterly. So in case of pharmaceutical management, here we having a two main point. These are called trade, industry and commerce. There are various subdivisions of commerce which we will study one by one. So, on the primary base, the main aspect is called business. Business will be run by two main methods. These are called commercially or industrially. So, in commerce, the first part we have trade and the various aids used to run a trade. These are called internal trade or a international trade. In case of internal trade, we have a business, that is a wholesale business or a retail business. Then in case of international trade, we import or export the products, those are we comes under the international trade. So business is an activity where exchange of goods or services are involved with a objective of earning the profit. बिजनेस के अंदर क्या है, जिसके अंदर एक्सचेंज ऑफ गुड्स और सर्विस with a basic concept how to earn a profit. Its growth depends on the people, money, distribution, service and marketing concept which are be involved in that. Mainly business divide into two types. Those are called industrial or a commercial. First of all, we study industry. What is an industry? Industry first classify on the base of what type of goods are manufacturing in the industry. The industries are first one manufacturing industry, second genetic industry, third construction industry, fourthly external industry. The manufacturing industry is further classified into analytical industry, synthetic industry, processing industry, and assembling industry. So, in the pharma industry, it requires certain size and the investment. How we have to invest in the industry. The primary base in the industry is to earn a profit. So, first of all, we have the investment, that is minimum scale is 10 lakh. The second medium size industry, the investment is 50 lakhs. In case of large scale industry, the minimum investment is called 5 crore investment in the industry. The pharma industry is further divided. That means, in other words, the all facilities under one roof. These are formulation industry, means it manufactures the dosage form. Second, bulk drug industry, the manufacturing of bulk drug, means active pharmaceutical ingredients or the intermediate which are be manufactured in the bulk. Third one, ancillary industry. It deals with the machines which are be used in the pharma industry. Loan license industry. It relates with the product at other company to the marketing of the activity. Another industry is called cosmetic and toilet preparation industry. Sixthly, we have a medical and surgical appliances industry. All these industries are comes under a pharma industry, and the pharmaceutical management which will be manage the pharma industry. So, in case of manufacturing industry, as earlier we see that various type, electrical, synthetic, processing and the assembling industries. In case of analytical industry, it will engage with the manufacturing of product by analyzing and separating different animal from the same material. For example, refinery industry of crude oil. Second is called synthetic industry. In that case, when two or more than two materials are mixed together, मीन दो या दो से ज़्यादा इंग्रेडिएंट को हम जब मिक्स करते हैं, इस मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस मेक ए न्यू प्रोडक्ट. मतलब जब हम दो कोई इंग्रेडिएंट को मिक्स करते हैं और उनका जो रिज़ल्ट है, मिक्सिंग ऑफ टू प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर्म ए सिंगल प्रोडक्ट. In that case, examples are like soap, cosmetics, fertilizers are produced by synthetic industry. That means certain type we are using a single element, but in case two or more than two ingredients are combined to form a single molecule. In processing industry, in that case the material processed or manufactured through different type of stages. For example, pharmaceutical industry, paper, sugar industry. Assembling industry means when parts or components are assembled to make a useful product, like production of car, production of scooter or any television, and the production of computers. Commerce. What is a commerce? Means commercial. That is called a backbone between industry and the manufacturing of the product, then trade of the products. So, in case of commerce, it concerns with distribution of the goods and service produced by a industry. Commerce is a valuable link. कॉमर्स जो है that is a relation between the producer and the consumer. Producer will produce the product, consumer will consume the product. There is a link which is called commerce between a producer and a consumer. There are various components of the commerce. Broadly, we call a trade. Trade may be what is trade and what are various aids of trade. These are the main component of a commerce. They help to break a barrier between the producer and consumer. This engaged in the removal of hindrance of the person, place and time. In other words, total of product means trade. Once the product is produced, it requires a transport to place or the finished product having a insurance. Then these products will be stored in a store that is called warehousing. Then exchange with the commodities means it deals with the banking. So commerce having first part that is called trade. In this case we study about the trade and what are the various aids of trade. Various trade means the function of commerce or branch of the commerce. So the aids of trade having required transport, banking, insurance, warehousing, packaging or advertising and publicity. What is a trade? Trade means buying, selling, exchange of the goods. Trade is a nucleus of the commercial activity. Goods required all over the world. Manufacturer cannot supply the goods individually. Once means इसका क्या है, मैन्युफैक्चरर अकेला अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को सेल या किसी भी रिक्वायरमेंट को पूरा नहीं कर सकता अकेला. सो इट विल बी रिक्वायर्ड वेरियस टाइप ऑफ द मैन पावर. सो manufacturer cannot supply goods individually, so he appointed a distributor or a trader, means job with some profit margin. Trader with a small company get a limited coverage. Traders purchase the goods which are in demand. Suppose the distributor will maintain as per the demand in the market. The trade mainly classified into two types. These are called internal trade or a international trade. In the internal trade, it is also called home trade. Home trade means buying and selling is done within the boundary of country. Buying or selling of the business done by within the a limited category. These are called within the boundary of a country. This is further divided into three types. These are called local trade, state trade, or interstate trade. In case of the local trade, the exchange of goods occur in a local area. In case of state trade, the exchange of trade occur only in a particular state. Suppose the industry which will be formed in Punjab to sell all his product having a limited boundary means it will be taken the product only in the Punjab. In case of interstate trade, in this the goods are bought or sold from one state to the another state. Interstate means हम प्रोडक्ट्स को कंपेयर ट्रेड्स के अंदर और इंटरस्टेट मीन्स यहाँ से दूसरे स्टेट के अंदर अपना गुड्स को सेल कर सकते हैं. नाउ द व्हाट वी डू टू अर्न ए profit. For that purpose, the payment in the internal trade is made in the term of rupees through a bank system. The internal trade is further classified into two types. These are called wholesale trade and a retail trade. Now, the wholesale trade. Wholesaler is a link between the manufacturer and the retailer. The wholesaler जो है वो एक लिंक है बिटवीन मैन्युफैक्चरर और ए रिटेलर के लिए. दे विल बाय द गुड्स फ्रॉम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी इन लार्ज क्वांटिटी. मीन्स क्या है, जो होलसेलर ट्रेड that will be buy a huge quantity from the manufacturing company. But in case of pharmaceutical trade, in pharmaceutical trade we have super stockist or a distributor or stockist, then sub stockist or wholesale dealer, or then clearing and forwarding agents. In that case, that will be a marketing and business development to generate the sale promotion. So, in case of a retail trade, retailer purchase the good from wholesaler and then sell them a small quantity to the consumer. Then international trade, that means the goods or service exchange in between the two countries. So international trade means import of the trade or export of the trade or entreport of the trade. These are three forms of the trade which will be take place either it by import, export, or the entrepreneur trade. Now, the various aids of the trade. In that case, the function of commerce or branches of the commerce. The various branches of commerce are transport, warehousing, banking, insurance, packaging, advertisement, and publicity. These are the basic pillars of a business. Basic pillar means without those steps, the industry will be not survive. So, in case of transport, the transport will be evaluate the distance. In other words, the hindrance of place. The transport is a process which carry the goods and person from one place to the another place. Suppose कोई industry, pharma industry like manufacturing the product in Bombay, Maharashtra, but we need those products in North India. To overcome that problem, we require transport because it will change the place from manufacturer to the distributor or further wholesaler and then lastly to the retailer and move to the consumer. The transport move the goods from one place to another place means the place of production to location where they are sold, where they are sold or where they are consumed. Transport system is a very important role in the development of economic, social welfare and the political integration of the any country. Various modes of transports are available for movement of the goods, drugs or pharmaceutical from one place to the another. Either it may be by road or it may be by rail or it may water, pipeline transport. Out of these mode of transport, railway is considered as the most effective means of movement of goods. Transport is a very cheaper for bulky goods to be carried over long distance. The goods are safer than a road transport. Then they are carried by a personal wagons to shift the arrangement of a trade. Railways are controlled by government, so flights are less. Means that there is no risk while movement of the goods with the help of transport. The second point we have warehousing. Warehousing means the storage of pharmaceutical products or goods. Storage means keeping, holding and preserving the goods. वेयर हाउस के अंदर क्या है, हम ड्रग्स या फार्मास्यूटिकल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग जो भी है उनको स्टॉक करते हैं, स्टोर करते हैं, प्रिजर्व करते हैं टू इन इट्स पोजीशन लाइक अवॉइडेंस ऑफ द breakage or certain other type of any accidental means breakage of any liquid which will deteriorate the other content also. When this process done at a large scale, various specialized manners are used in the warehouse. It will be remove the hindrance of the time of trade by storing the goods. Warehouses are the place where goods are be stored. वेयर हाउस का मतलब यही है कि हम गुड्स को स्टोर कर रहे हैं. In case of banking, banking is a financial support for any industry. Financial support will be given by the banking. It is a capital as similar as the blood for life, then the banking is also a capital of the business. Whenever we need a large amount of money for production, marketing of good and service, बैंकिंग हमारी हर तरीके से हेल्प करती है. जब किसी भी लार्ज क्वांटिटी में हम कोई प्रोडक्शन करनी है, टू मार्केटिंग फॉर दैट गुड्स और सर्विसेज वी रिक्वायर द बैंकिंग. सो it may be raised by own resources. Commercial banks are there, shares are there, financial institutions are there, trade creditors are there. Insurance. Insurance remove the various risk of goods. It remove the various risk. Means any business activity having various type of the risk. For example, fire, accident, theft, flood, earthquake, price reduction, change in the demand, supply conditions, dishonesty of the employees, then strikes or local bodies. All these are the risky factor of a business. It may be happen anytime. So to overcome all those things, we require the insurance. Again, fire, certain accidents, flood, earthquake, these are the main risks or the dishonesty of a partner or employee. All these are the common things which will be happen in an industry. To overcome all those, we require insurance. So insurance further divides so many types. Mainly we discuss life insurance, fire insurance, marine insurance or a general insurance. In case of life, payment of a stipulated sum of money to the insured person, or it may be given in the form of term. So fire, the insurance company will undertake. This step will be undertaken by insurance company. Means it will make a payment which will be equal or a value of the goods lost or damaged. Marine insurance, this risk covered loss or damage in the insured vessel. General insurance, it will cover the risk of loss due to theft or a specified happening. In general insurance में क्या है, sometime there will be a loss due to the theft or certain specified happening. So in that case we go for insurance. Now in the pharmaceutical trade management, the another point we have that is called packaging. Packaging will remove the risk of spoilage. Packaging means क्या है, कोई भी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोडक्ट है, when it will be in a proper packaging, then there will be no fear of spoilation. Packaging nothing but wrapping, filling or creating compression of the good where packaging is necessary. And during packaging we have to create different type of designing which will be look a very controllable to the various product. So after the manufacturing, then we go for trade. After the trade, when it will be a distributor from manufacturing house to the super stockist or a distributor to sell all those products. To sell all those products, we need certain basic points. Those are called advertisement and publicity. Advertising, it will remove the hindrance of knowledge or information about the availability or use of goods between trader and consumer. The main object of advertisement is it will create a demand and to increase the sale of concerned product. There are various methods by which the advertisement will be done, like it will be given in the television, radio, newspapers, magazines, wall posters, and pamphlet, free samples, trade fair, exhibition, ballooning, or window display. These points which I had earlier discussed for the to avoid the knowledge behind the product. The advertisement will be done by various methods, like advertisement हम टीवी में भी दे सकते हैं, रेडियो में भी दे सकते हैं, कोई न्यूज़पेपर के अंदर, कोई मैगजीन एंड सर्टन कोई विंडो डिस्प्ले और पम्फलेट, stickers. All these form help for advertisement and publicity. By this, there will be a demand generated by consumer. Another basic point, economics, means the economical condition of the house. So, in case of economics, there are various elements. Economics, the word is derived from a Greek word that is called obion ornaments, means household or management. Management in household. Management in household is called economics. In the social science concerned with employment, alternative tips to produce goods and various other formulations. Basically, the economic activity is a very important which will be a concern with the sampling or finished good to the products. Okay, thanks a lot.